Ayan, shout out, thank you. Ayan, sino to si mm, um, Ayan, shout out sa iyo, Christian. Yan, kanta yan para sa iyo, Christian, ha. Oh, sige, mag-isip pa kayo. Ay, guys, pwede kayo mag-request, ha, kung ano yung song na gusto niyo. Ayan, pwede kayo mag-request. I-type me lang dyan. Love to do it for you guys. Alright, okay. Okay, saan na tayo? O, sige, hanap pa tayo ng mga, ano, para medyo naman hindi mahirapan yung ating boses. O kaya nagjujuwet ako para at least, kasi magtatatlong oras ako magla-live ngayon eh. So at least kung duet, may kapalitan ka ng kanta, 'di ba? So hindi talaga mapapagod yung iyong boses, or 'di ba? Ganun na nga 'yon. All right, okay, coming up next, another duet love song for you entitled Moments of Love. Uy, Moments of Love. Sana everybody may moments of love. Alright, magandang hapon. Father and Son. Oh, yes. Ay. Father and Son ba? Oh, sige. Pagbigyan natin. Father and Sons. Okay. Wow, talagang mga classic ha. Mga Father and Son. Oh, sige, hanapin natin yan. Father and Son. Alright, ang request. Okay, Father and Son, ang request. Alright, okay, another acoustic cover song for you entitled Father and Son. Alright. So, what I was doing I'm playing right now acoustic guitar cover, and then sinasabayan natin yung acoustic guitar cover. Alright, so para na rin tayong nag-acoustic cover songs. Alright, shout out to everyone. I am Father and Son, Cat Stevens. It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry the guy who I know. But I'm happy. I was once like you now, and I know that it's not easy to be calm when you're found something's going on. And take your time, think a lot, think of everything you got, for you will still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may. Ito na yung anak, sasagot yung anak. Okay. And how can I try to explain? When I do, he turns away again. It's always been the same old story. From the moment I could talk, I was ordered to listen. Now there's a way that I know that I have to go away. I know my head to grow. Oh, eto na naman uli yung Father. Magsasalta na naman si Father. Ano siya eh, actually kasi ang storya ng kantang ito is nagbibigay ng advice yung father sa son, and then umapalag si son, sumasagot. Oh, di ba? Yun yung ganun yung tema ng kantang to, kaya Father and Son eh, di ba? Oh, di ba? Ganun yun. Maririnig niyo yung father kalmado lang, nag-advise, pero matindi yung sagot ng anak, di ba? It's not time to make a change. Just sit down, take it slowly. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to go through. Find a girl, settle down. And if you want, you can marry. Look at me, I'm old, but I'm happy. All the times that I cried, keeping all the things I knew inside, it's hard Ayan, thank you very much. Ayan, nagustuhan ni sino ba to? Marites lang. Oh, Marites, thank you very much.